Could the Theta cryptocurrency be the next YouTube? Well, you're about to find out in this video. I'm going to be breaking down what it does, what the token does in a way that's so simple that's going to be perfect for you if you're new to the market, or maybe you're just new to this particular token. Okay, so I'm going to give you all the details that you need to know about Theta and what they are doing, including what it is, how it works. And if you stick around all the way until the end of the video, you will find out if this is actually something that has great potential for the future. What are the risks? What are the opportunities? And where I think this token could be going. But before we dive in, I have to give you this quick disclaimer, very important. No one has paid us to make this review. The information that you will find in this video is provided to you for free for educational purposes. This is not a recommendation for you to run out and to buy or to sell or to hold the particular cryptocurrency we're discussing today, whether Theta or T Fuel, second token in their ecosystem. Now, if you appreciate, of course, this free info, then please do share this around with your friends. Give the video a thumbs up. That would be super awesome. Thank you very much for that. Full portfolio disclosures, by the way. I don't currently own this cryptocurrency, but you can see what other coins I do own, including my venture investments, in the link below in the YouTube description or in the pinned comment over on X. So, that all being said, let's get that out of the way. Let's get started. What the heck is a Theta anyway? Well, this is, on the surface, a video streaming network powered by individuals, not corporations. It rewards its users for sharing excess bandwidth and for sharing their computing power to help others to deliver enhanced quality video content to end users. But Theta itself insists it's not simply a decentralized version of YouTube or Twitch. It's much, much more than that. That's because underneath all of that is the Theta blockchain, which Theta refers to itself as the leading blockchain decentralized cloud for AI. AI, there's the word, media and entertainment. Now, there's a lot to unpack here with Theta, so let's just go ahead and start at the beginning. Good place to start usually. Now, this was actually founded in 2016 by two tech dudes with experience in gaming startups and VR live streaming technology. In fact, I think I interviewed them back in 2018, 2019, something like that. Anyway, not to mention their board of advisors absolutely packs a punch with some seriously experienced tech bros, including YouTube co-founder Steve Chen, Twitch co-founder Justin Kan, as well as Verizon Chief Network Officer Kyle Akamoto. Theta can be utilized by YouTube, Twitch, or any other video platform. So it makes sense why these guys are advisors, as it's not necessarily competing with them, but rather enhancing them, offering them more technical options. Video streaming services battle with each other, and they also battle with issues like geographic reach, high fees, poor picture quality, and buffering issues, especially outside of the main global hubs. And we're living in a world where users are constantly, of course, demanding better everything and at a better price. They want better content. They want better picture quality, like 4K or above. 8K, baby, that's where it's at. Let's go. Better load times. At the heart of all these problems is the need for more data. In addition to these problems, the centralized nature of the existing video streaming industry means less revenue is ending up back in the pockets of content creators. Now, Theta is actually aiming to solve all of these problems with its peer-to-peer blockchain-powered network. As more users join the Theta blockchain, more bandwidth becomes available, and therefore the better quality streams can be provided to end users. Now, along with that, more money makes its way back to users and back to content creators, whilst video platforms get to save on infrastructure, whilst also increasing advertising and increasing subscription revenues. Now, Theta was originally launched on the Ethereum blockchain, but actually moved over to its own Theta blockchain in March of 2019. The Theta blockchain is powered by three different groups of users. Number one, validator nodes. Those companies basically can come in and stake Theta tokens to earn the right to process transactions on the network. Theta already has some very well-known and famous validators. You might have heard some of these names: Samsung, Sony, Google, Binance, DApp Radar. Pretty big names there. 2, Guardian nodes. These are users who validate the validators to make sure that the transactions are accurate and everybody's playing by the rules. Number 3, edge nodes. These are the users who either share computer bandwidth or relay video streams in return for Theta's sister token, which is the Theta Fuel token, or T-Fuel. More on that in a minute. It's the extra layer of security consisting of both validator nodes and guardian nodes confirming transactions that makes Theta such a powerful product in that modified version of traditional proof of stake blockchains like Ethereum. And when it comes to transaction speed, Theta can process up to 1,000 transactions per second, which is pretty damn good. Now, before we break down the Theta token and what it's used for, I'd like to interrupt the flow just for a moment to let you know about the best damn newsletter in the cryptocurrency industry. My newsletter. It's pretty awesome, but no, seriously though, it's called Wealth Mastery. And every week, my team and I work hard to bring you the latest and the greatest and the best money-making alpha and insights and news in the market. We have a whole team of researchers working on this every single week, spend 40 plus hours bringing you the latest airdrops, altcoin news, deep dives, NFTs, charts, much more. You can join our 120,000 plus weekly readers and sign up for free using the link down below in the description or in the pinned comment on X. Let us save your time, get you the latest straight to that inbox. Check it out. Now that you understand what Theta is designed to do and how it works, we have to, of course, talk about the token utility, the supply, the distribution, all that important stuff. Theta's network actually has a dual token design consisting of its main governance token, the Theta token, and the secondary operational token known as T-Fuel. Theta is used for staking to give voting rights to holders, and T-Fuel is the gas token that is used for all activities on the network, including payments, relays, distribution, and fees for NFTs, as well as DeFi applications. Now, T-Fuel launched with 5 billion tokens when Theta first launched, and the supply increases every year. Currently, there are over 6.5 billion T-Fuel tokens currently in circulation. But the good news is that Theta's main token has a fixed supply of 1 billion Theta tokens, all of which are already in circulation. So there's no supply inflation to worry about with this token. The token supply of Theta has been distributed as follows. 36.3% were allocated out to Theta Labs reserves. 30% was allocated over to investors back during the private token sale that happened in 2017. Ages ago, man. It's got around for a while. 12.5% allocated partners, 12.5% allocated network seeding, 7.5% allocated to the team, 1.2% to advisors. With all its tokens out there on the market, Theta has turned its attention to expanding its ecosystem into developing a ton of new use cases. So let's talk about Theta's key partnerships and their key integrations. First up, NFTs. Theta partnered with the singer Katy Perry in 2021 to launch NFTs on its own NFT marketplace called Theta Drop. Katy Perry also acquired a minority stake in Theta Labs along with her talent agency, creative artists agency, becoming thus a Theta enterprise validator as well. Fair play, Katy Perry. Theta Drop also has its own token called T-Drop, allowing users to earn each time they buy using T-Fuel within the NFT marketplace. Theta has also partnered with NHL's Vegas Golden Knights to launch fan-based NFT experiences. To name drop just a few more collaborations. Theta worked with Sony to create 3D NFTs for its spatial reality display, and with Samsung to build an NFT ecosystem for its Galaxy mobile phones. But the most exciting partnership to date that will be really game-changing for the network is that it's teamed up with distributed cloud GPU network Aether. Together, they will launch THETA Edge Cloud, a hybrid cloud computing platform, launching its first phase in May this year. Edge Cloud will be the largest hybrid GPU marketplace for AI and DePIN. We love those narratives, man. AI and DePIN. Yes, yes. Decentralized physical infrastructure networks for the win. And AI. AI. Yes, we love AI. Okay. This is going to provide out-of-the-box AI models like Stable Diffusion and Llama 2, providing unlimited access to GPU processing for any AI or video task. Users will be able to share their CPU or GPU for AI and for video workloads, and to get paid in T-Fuel tokens for doing that. As part of the collaboration, Aether brings to the table the hardware of 40,000 plus enterprise grade GPUs, including over 8,000 of NVIDIA's most must-have H100 AI chips, which means this baby is going to be one heck of a powerful beast. To put this all in perspective, a standard PlayStation 5 console is capable of outputting 10.3 teraflops, making the THETA network equivalent to 85,000 daisy-chained PS5s. THETA's gradual transition from being solely a peer-to-peer video content delivery platform to one that's integrating AI capabilities sets them up perfectly going into the future with this rising demand for AI and this rising hype in the crypto space for AI. We already know the future won't just be video-based, but it'll be video-based powered by AI. So THETA is trying to strategically position itself as one of the leading blockchains in this sector now before it gets wildly big. Okay, so let's talk about the risks that could threaten THETA's entire future. The elephant in the room, obviously, competition, with THETA trying to now take on, the video streaming industry. I said it was the original ideas, as well as now taking on AI, right? Big task. It's going to come up against a lot of competition. In the video streaming space, is of course up against the likes of LivePeer, Flixo, Veracity, Library, just in the crypto space, right? Not even counting for Web 2 stuff. Then in the AI space, it's coming up against projects like Render and Fetch and Singularity. It's got its work cut out for it. But if THETA can differentiate itself enough through its products, its services, its very powerful team, and very powerful partnerships and industry collaborations, then it could really see some serious growth. But it's got to keep a lid on its streaming fees. At the end of the day, if it's not a more affordable alternative to the existing centralized models, it's not going to be adopted. People aren't going to do it just because it's more decentralized. They're going to do it because it's cheaper. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.